I really wanted to try to explore what it meant to use a flat material. There are all kinds of ways, I suppose, and maybe some of my colleagues will get around it, but of putting it together, stacking it in a series of layers, and then carving it into various shapes. I didn't want to do that. Not that it's wrong, it's certainly a reasonable thing to do, but I thought one of the things that Formica is primarily is flat, obviously. We can bend it a bit and shape it a little bit, but it's really known as a top, a countertop, a tabletop, something that fits in a flat surface. So I thought how it might be interesting if I were to put together, like Eames did, I suppose, a kind of house of cards, flat surfaces fitting into each other, so that if somebody, I imagine this thing on the market for sale, and somebody receiving it in a flat box and being able to put it together without screws and snap it together very quickly, as some of our target objects do. You can just turn them 90 degrees and they snap into place and it's done. And I wanted to do that on this, so we used pegs and we used very low-tech, primitive kinds of connections, which became a kind of idea for the design as well, because you finally see how it's put together. Not that that's a huge deal, but it's something that is visible to you once it's in place, and I thought that was a reasonable thing to do. I especially like the idea of shipping it flat and erecting it if you're just a layman.